Looking for a power washers? Our tools and equipment appliance experts bought and tested the top 5 power washers available in 2022 and put them through a rigorous side-by-side comparison to find the very best. Each model was subjected to a punishing quality of tests for whipping, mixing, and kneading. Our recommendations are based on our extensive hands-on testing and can help you find the perfect power washers for your needs and budget. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 1 on our list, we have the Karcher 16,033,610 K5 Premium Electric Pressure. The Karcher K5 is an electric pressure washer that delivers pressures of up to 2000 psi, according to the product specs. That should be enough power to reach your sidings with ease. Ideally, you will be able to do a deep spring cleaning without having to call in the experts. I have seen my brother clean his deck thoroughly with this device. He got into staining straight away after the job. The pressure was high enough to spruce up a deck that had been turned black by dirt and grime. I got interested and looked into it. It turns out the power in this thing is easily 40 times what you get with an ordinary garden hose. Anyway, back to the features. The Karcher K5 Premium Pressure Washer has a water-cooled induction motor. This engineering keeps it from overheating and helps to promote motor life. You might also appreciate that the engine on the electric power washer works noiselessly, unlike its gas counterparts. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 2 on our list, we have the Joe Spx 4120/30 psi 1.76 GPM 14.5 amp electric. With the 20/30 psi pressure on the Joe Spx 4000, you could easily reach the second floor of a building. Like the Karcher K5, this is an electric power washer that could save you from the hard maintenance requirements of the gas models. The high pressure in this power washer should also help you remove all stains from your deck and floors. Be sure, though, to use the right pressure settings. Too much pressure can be damaging to deck boards. I like the way the maneuverability is assured by a pair of big wheels on this model. These work along with the stand for stability, while washing and easier portability on all surfaces when it's time to move. At number 3 on our list, we have the Stanley SHP 2150 Electric Pressure Washer with Spray. The maximum hosing pressure on this pressure washer is 2150 psi. That makes it a more powerful pressure washer than the others reviewed earlier. You may be able to successfully leverage this force for cleaning your pavements, decks and sidings, cars, trucks, and many other things. The design incorporates a foam cannon that makes it possible to apply soap as you hose down your surfaces. The soap tank should prove highly effective for stains that cannot be stripped off with water alone. Unlike the Joe Spx 4000, the designers have attempted to address the risk of leaky connections here. The product specs talk of a brass hose connector that should provide a leak-proof, professional-grade experience. At number 4 on our list, we have the Yard Force YF1600A1 1600 psi Compact Electric. This unit provides 1600 psi of cleaning force. Although that falls below what the earlier reviewed models deliver, I believe no driveway stains can withstand that pressure. You might also appreciate its lightweight and highly maneuverable design. That's seemingly the reward for sacrificing a few hundred cis of cleaning pressure. You get something light and highly versatile for home use. The Yard Force is an electric power washer that runs on a 13-amp motor. I have found that this engine packs just a right oomph, and it runs noiselessly. You should get excellent performance with this machine when cleaning your cars, ATV, lawn furniture, and more. And finally, at number 5 on our list, we have the Simpson Cleaning PS 4240 Powershot 4200 psi Gas Pressure Washer. If you are out for a gas pressure washer, you might have noticed their increasing unavailability on the market. Could it be that people prefer the easy maintenance electric power washers? The Simpson Cleaning PS 4240 delivers 4200 psi of cleaning power. And yes, this can be overkill for general yard cleaning. It is more recommended for professionals in commercial and industrial settings. This beast of a power washer runs on Honda engine GX390, said to be the most reliable and high-performing 4-stroke engine model. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.